Today we're making a super quick and delicious recipe, pizza quesadillas. They combine the cheesy goodness of pizza with the crispy bite of a quesadilla, and they're ready in just 10 minutes. We'll start off making the filling by using your pizza toppings of choice. I am using my favorite, ham and red peppers. Then add in some mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza sauce. If you need a recipe for some low-carb pizza sauce, I also have one on my channel. Mix it all together. Use your tortilla of choice. I'm using a keto one. Spread the mixture on half your tortilla. Then fold it in half, just like this. And do the same thing with all your quesadillas. Then grill them on medium heat until the tortilla is browned and the cheese is melted. And there you have it, crispy, cheesy, delicious pizza quesadillas, perfect for a quick meal or snack. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what toppings you used. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.